Students, welcome back to our class, that is e-business. Today we are going to start with our fourth unit. Already we have discussed, started with one of the topic, that is e-business and the global business. Once again, we are going to recapitulate the topic of e-business. Then we will start with our next topic, that is nothing but prerequisites for the effective business transactions. So what do you mean by global business? Global business, in another words or common words, I can say that it is nothing but international business. Now, see, the global business is designed for people looking to operate effectively in the global business environment. Means international business or the broader countries business. So, the environment and to manage not only to operate but to manage and to lead the business and the transformation of existing business processes or the creation of the new business activity. All these things comes under the e-business. So we will have some advantages. What are the advantages? Already we discussed. Once again, it's a reminder, like all-time processing at any time, 24 by 7, you can access the business, better service. That means saving your time, money, efforts, removing mediators like agents, intermediate channels like distributors, wholesaler, retailer. These people will be and time saving is there. That means not fixed time is there at any time, at any place. You can generate and you can operate the business, enhance speed and accuracy of the product, cost saving of the product. It reduces paperwork, fast dissipation of information, means fast distribution of the information. That means the passing of information very fast. Global reach. That means you can reach to the any global. Now we'll go to the next term. That is prerequisites effective e-business transactions. See, what does it mean? Here, in order to make e-business functions effectively, a number of interrelated factors and prerequisites involved in the transaction loop need to be put in place. So the scope of e-commerce goes for beyond hosting a website for buying and selling of goods over the product or over the internet. The principal players in an e-commerce transaction and the corresponding requisites are summarized. Those are on the screen. You can have a look. First one is business enterprise or setup. That means a corporate website with e-commerce will be there where the transactions are buying and selling of the goods can go at the international level. Second thing is transactions partner. That means it is related with the financial institutions, how the payment will be going to pay, and how the credit card, that means utilization of e-fund, electronic funds transfer, debit card, credit card, uh, M mobile, that means e payments, M payments, all these things which comes under the transactions. Then is not only that, that authentication authority will be there, and logistics services will also be there. Then next one is consumers should have a critical mass of population with access to the internet. That means internet is playing an important role to access it, and it poses a mindset for purchasing goods over the internet rather than by the physical inspecting items. Next one, companies business. That means business to business, business to consumers. All these critical mass of companies are going to enhance with the business community. Then governments need to establish a legal framework and a legal institution for running the business eco-friendly in between the global countries. So that means a border countries can maintain a good relationship with following the rules and regulations. Then companies would have internet robust and infrastructure and price structure so that things can go smoothly. Now, what are the procedure for prerequisite in the e-business? First one is a commercial website should be there, product should be there or services should be there, shopping cart or purchases order reform should be there. Current credit card account that will be accepted on e-payments, an online payment gateway, a secure socket layer resource that will secure the gateway. All these things will comes under the procedure of prerequisites. Now, there are three prerequisites for the e-commerce are discussed, namely like it's an ex-ante information that is received adequate by the prospective buyer, institution that provide reliable statement to the quality. That means first itself providing the information, then it is the institution where the reliable statement of quality is taken place, and then the transportation, financial infrastructure and technological system is formatting. So this is a process and format. Now, what is the successful project implementation of prerequisites is for? Like adequate formulation, strong project organization, proper implementation of planning, advanced action, time availability of funds, judicial, judicious equipment tendering and procurement, better contract management, effective monitoring. All these are the terms for establishing the prerequisites of the e-business. Now, if you see here how it is taking the means, next topic is enabling business process. So, what do you mean by enabling business process is nothing but it's an integration of digital technology into the business process has considerably transformed the traditional ways of doing business. So, what is happening? Some of the changes brought about by e-business and they are summarized as follows on the screen, like physical market to virtual means online marketplace. Physical products to digital product. That means physical market to digital market, physical product to digital product, mass production of standardization product to mass customization, fixed pricing to dynamic pricing, mass marketing techniques to customized marketing, hierarchical organizations to network organizations. These are the keys where we can summarize. That means physical product or physical services are becoming to digital product. If you see here how the supplies like energy, equipment, non-core products will be there. What the customers want, like large, medium, and institutional. From online to e-procurement, from business to entrepreneurship and as finance. So all these things you see here, the prediction that means the arrow itself only showing how the product is going from small to that means physical to digital. This also you can see that going for the online transaction is taking place again how it goes to and fro the information is gathering can go, and not only that you can see on the screen how the customer creates order and how your internet system is working. All the it's like a chain. You can see on the screen how it is working. Now, what does it mean? E-business technology. That means e-business technology is including uh, yes, e-business technology. What do you mean by e-business technology? See, e-business technology is nothing but it is a phase of development of an e-commerce proprietary network where often used under an EDI framework. The advance of the internet with interlinks millions of networks across the world and offers a much wider platform for business transactions at a global scale has largely replaced the earlier EDI system. That means we are having electronic data interchange, internet, intranet, extranet, and e-readiness. These are the 5 stages where we can come to know that these are the e-business technology and environment. First one is EDI, electronic data interchange. What do you mean by electronic data interchange? See, electronic data interchange is an exchange, inter-exchange of business information using a standardized format, a process which allows one company to send information to another company electronically rather than with paper. Business entities conducting business electronically are called trading partners. Then, we should see here in this picture, you can able to understand that uh, it is an interchange of interchange. That means EDI. First one is it includes how the electronic data interchange is taking place so that you can work on it. Now, if you see here how the internet is working with the help of electronic data. Now, this is also one example that customer creates order, customer sends order, you receive order and you enter order, your internet system is there, you create invoice, you share invoice, your customer receives invoice, your customer enter invoice, your customer's internal system is taking place. Chain where it is taking place. So with the help of electronic data interchange, you can focus on that. So that is very important. to takes place and to hold it on the device. Not only that, yes, internet. Second one is internet. What do you mean by internet? Internet is a vast network that connects computers all over the world through the internet. People can share information and communicate from anywhere with an internet connection. That means internet is a network that connects the computers to computers all over the world. And with the help of internet, people can share information, pictures, photos, videos, documents, all communicative things or data from anywhere within the internet connection. So the internet, sometimes called simply the net, is a worldwide system of computer networks. In simple terms, a network of internet means a network of networks in which users at any one computer can get information from other system, or if they have permission they can get information from other computer and sometimes talk directly to users and other computers. If you see here picture, the world is connecting with the help of system that is called internet. What are the uses of internet? You can make the mail, send the Twitter read, calculation, uh, financial terms, transactions taking place. All these things are taking place. Now, externet. The externet is a private network similar to an internet, but typically open in external parties such as business partners, suppliers, key customers, etc. The main purpose of an extranet is to use or allow users to exchange data and application and share information. Simple terms, it is a nothing but users can exchange data or applications or information from one another. That means within the partners, suppliers, or key customers. Sharing of information with the help of internet is nothing but extranet, a group of people. If you see here how the internet is processing, how it is taking, extranet is working. Now, in our today's class, what is the difference between internet, extranet, internet? By this, you can able to understand how the internet is working, how the extranet is connecting, how the intranet is connecting. Now, what is an extranet? Then what is an intranet? Extranet is nothing but connecting the internals to internal. That means within the external, that means internal, a group of internals to executing and entering the outsider user is nothing but external. Now, internet. Intranet. An intranet is a private network contained within an enterprise that is used to securely share company information and computing resources among employees. An intranet can also be used to facilitate working in the groups and teleconferences. And so that is very important. And now, an internet can also be used to facilitate uh, the working groups in order to teleconference to take place. Now, if you see here in the picture how the that means within the organization, within the company, or within the department, the internet is sharing, and it is nothing but internet. Simple terms. What do you mean by E readiness? The E readiness of the country refers to the ability of a state to utilize information and communication technology, that means ICT, for suitable welfare and development. E readiness has become an essential tool for countries, governments, citizens, and organizations as the world turns into an open global market. If you see here the work of e-readiness, you can able to understand it is getting the ICT, external environment readiness, information readiness, human resource readiness, and the last one is entrepreneur, that means enterprises readiness. All these things connects with the e-readiness. So I hope students understand the topic and concept. Please mention your roll numbers, and I am sorry for the disturbance or the noises which have disturbed the class. Thank you. Have a nice day.